Welcome to today's grammar lesson. In this video, we'll dive into the modal verb can, one of the most useful words in English. Can is used in English to talk about ability, permission, possibility, offers, and informal requests. Let's go through each use with examples. Ability. First, we use can to show ability, or what someone is able to do. For example, I can swim means that I know how to swim. She can speak 3 languages means she has the ability to speak multiple languages. Permission. Next, can is often used to give or ask for permission in informal situations. For instance, if you ask, "Can I leave early?" you're asking for permission to leave. And if you say, "You can borrow my book," you're giving permission to borrow the book. Note that some people think can should not be used to ask permission. However, many people use this word to ask for and give permission. Possibility. Can also express possibility. For example, "It can get very hot here in the summer" suggests that hot weather is possible. Or "She can sometimes be a little shy" means that shyness is possible for her in certain situations. Offer. Can is also used to make friendly offers to help. For instance, you can say, "I can help you with your homework," or ask, "Can I carry that for you?" Both are ways to offer assistance to someone. Request. People often use can in informal requests, especially when asking for small favors. For example, "Can you pass me the salt?" or "Can you wait for a moment?" These are polite, casual ways to ask for help. Negative form. When we need to express inability, prohibition, or impossibility, we use cannot or the contraction can't. For instance, "I can't dance well" means I don't have the ability to dance well. And "you can't use your phone in class" means using your phone is not allowed. Question form. To form questions, simply place can at the beginning of the sentence. For example, "Can you help me?" or "Can we start now?" These are questions asking for help or permission to begin. Let's quickly recap. Can is used to express ability, permission, possibility, offers, and informal requests. In negative sentences, we use cannot or can't, and when forming questions, start with can. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more English lessons. See you next time.